9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. What's that? She said it's so lekker. Astrid, is dat lekker? Lekker? Huh? Het is lekker.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell for more videos. Please like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you. God bless.
Hello, I'm back, and tonight I'm gonna cook the turkey's legs, and I will show you how to cook the simplest way to cook the turkey's legs. And this is my turkey's legs, how big they are. And I've already seasoned them with salt and pepper. Now I preheated my oven to 200 Celsius, and I have here my butter in the pan and a little, how you say that, oil, to prevent the butter from burning. And I'm cooking the water so we can cook the mushrooms, okay, to avoid them from darkening. I will add citron, okay. While I'm waiting for the butter and oil to heat up, okay, I'm gonna slice first the mushrooms. I'm gonna butter my oven tray, okay. We're gonna put the turkey's legs here later, but first we're gonna smurd it with the butter, okay. You can use tissues and we're gonna butter, okay, butter, okay. Voila.
A few moments later.
The water is boiling. I'm putting some lemon, citron, and I'm gonna drop all the mushrooms, okay, to prevent them from darkening. Wakala. This is the simplest way to cook your turkey. We're just waiting for the turkey to brown both sides, okay? Please, how do you say that? My English is very elementary, so bear with me while I'm gonna steal my mushroom. And this is the simplest way to cook the Turkish legs. Now the Turkish legs are nice brown. We're gonna transfer them here, okay? And we're gonna aray kupo. Yan. Wow. That's how to cook for your Belgian husband. Okay. So, we're gonna open the oven and then aray. We're gonna bake it for 15 minutes with a temperature of 200 Celsius. 15 minutes and I will come back.
15 minutes later.
The oven is ringing. What I will do, I'm gonna, okay, turn down the temperature to 170, okay? Let's say, what is that? There, okay? 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Okay, another 30 minutes. Voila. And I'll come back later.
10 minutes later.
store it here to stop from cooking, okay? But it will keep the turkeys warm, okay? I'm gonna show you how to make the sauce, okay? I remove the oil from the pan and transfer it here, okay? So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make the sauce, okay? Very delicious sauce. You can make this at home. You can try this, and you buy a very strong beef prawns or chicken prawns, okay? There, that's a very strong, okay? And then we're gonna stir it, boil it, and come back later.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. There you are. Then stir it. There you are. And then we're gonna thicken it with the cornstarch. Not all, okay. There you are. Should be nice, thick. Okay, there you are. There you are. Very nice. Now we're gonna serve the turkey. That's it, okay? I remove the skin and I'm gonna serve it here, okay? On the plate. There you are. There is the turkey. And here's my sauce. On the last minute, I add the cooked mushroom, okay? See, it's very nice. Show you how I serve it, okay? That's it. I have here the French fries, okay? Voila! It's very hot. Voila! So this is how to cook a dish, especially for your Belgian spouse, okay? Now. La 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 la. So here is my oven baked turkey with mushroom sauce and French fries and salad. So what do you think? Perfect. See you again on my next video. Bye.